Welcome to CodeChef. Today, we will learn how recursion helps compute Fibonacci numbers. The Fibonacci series is a sequence where each number is the sum of the two before it. It starts with 0 and 1. Then 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, and so on. Recursion is a method where we solve a big problem by breaking it into smaller versions of the same problem. Imagine a stack of plates. To take out the bottom plate, you must remove the top ones first. This is similar to recursion, where each step depends on solving the smaller step before it. A recursive process has two main parts. 1. A base case, which stops the process when a simple condition is met. 2. A recursive case where the function keeps calling itself to break the problem into smaller parts until it reaches the base case. Here is the code for computing Fibonacci numbers using recursion. Let's go through how it works step by step. We call fib of 5, which requires fib of 4 and fib of 3. Let's expand further. When n is 1 or 2, we return 0 or 1. These are the base cases. Once we reach the base case, values flow back up, summing to produce the final result. Recursion solves Fibonacci step by step, but as we saw, it makes many repeated calculations. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!